We are at Two Fountain Place. I'm Laurel Guy, and we're visiting this magnificent mansion on 1 acre of land, just walking distance to downtown Ithaca. This was the Ithaca College President's Residence, and it was designed by William Henry Miller.
Rooted in over a century of Ithaca's history, this monumental, beautiful, and unique stone mansion has been meticulously maintained, and it's a place where you can truly make a grand entrance into this two-story central hall. Exquisite woodwork, 8-tile fireplaces, each one different, and stained glass. The main level is made for entertaining. Countless dinners, celebrations, and special events have been held here. Imagine the parties you could have. When you have a huge commercial-style kitchen and butler's pantry, entertaining for large or small gatherings is a piece of cake. The second floor landing gives you a great view of the chandelier made of Venetian glass that was especially designed for this home. On the second floor are 7 spacious bedrooms, all with high ceilings and hardwood floors, and 3 baths. The mansion's third floor was originally the ballroom with these beautiful, massive skylights. This gem is hidden in plain sight on a tucked-away little street that's an easy walk to the Commons and to Cornell. The location, the architecture, quality of construction, and rich history, there's no place like Two Fountain Place.